Good morning, happy Monday. All right, ready to jump back into this? Money Magazine put out an article on the top 10 housing markets that are cooling. Unfortunately, Atlanta did not make the list. However, let's run through our stats so that you can explain how our housing market is finding a way back to a more moderate market, which is a good thing. All right, in June 2022, we had 15,743 homes hit the market. In perspective, I'm gonna take out 20 and 21 and go back to 2019 where we had 26,996 homes hit the market. Check out the graph that I'm posting so that you can see that real quick. All right, now here's the thing. 2018, we had 25,317, 2017, 28,110. All of these were amazing years for the real estate market. Now, let's put this into perspective for how fast the market is still moving. In 2022, 7,793 homes went under contract in the month of June. Now, that means that 49.5% of all homes on the market went under contract, okay? So that means that if nothing else came on the market, almost half the homes are sold under contract, that we would only have 1 more month's supply. So that's how we get to that we have actually a little less than 2 months supply of inventory. Now let's flip that and compare those to 2019, 18, and 17. 19, we had 94 and 98, which was only 35% of active homes went under contract. 2018, 35%, and 2017, 32%. So we are still way ahead on the percent of homes going under contract each month, as well as still low on the number of homes coming up for sale. So we're definitely looking at moderation. All right, let's look at the market for the past 3 days since it was the weekend. New 968 came on the market. That was an average of 322 homes per day, with 523,000 being the average list price. Back on market, 218. That means that we are seeing about 73 fallout a day. Price reductions, 517 with an average of 172 price reductions per day. That is a big jump up from the last 2 weeks or so. Price increase is 61 over the weekend, gotta love it. Under contract, 668. Average of 223 per day with an average list price of 448,000. That's holding pretty steady. Now, if you look at the active under contracts, 253, average of 84 a day with an average list price of 496. So I think we're seeing a little bit of an uptick in the average price point going under contract right now. Withdrawn, 96, average of 32 a day. They're pulling themselves off the market. Expired, 58, with a list price average of $670,000. So we're definitely seeing an uptick in that price point. Coming soon's 93. So we're seeing more people pre-market the home, more agents doing that, and closed on Friday and then got marked as closed over the weekend. 260 with an average sales price of 472. Now let's jump over and look back at those price reductions over the last 7 days. We had 1,763 homes get price reductions in the last 7 days. Of those, only 53 went under contract with an average sales price of $422,500. I'm sorry, list price, not sales price. Hasn't sold yet. Now here's the thing. If you look at under contracts across the board, 2,142, again, 53 of those had the price reductions. Your average list price on those are $480,600. So again, I can't keep reiterating this enough. Pricing right now strategically matters so much. Please do not miss the class that Mega Agent Rachel Mooney is going to be teaching. Details are right here, because pricing in a changing market matters more than ever before. And you can see that in that under contract discrepancy of average list price, 422 versus 480. So make sure you have all the information you need. And again, if you need any help with anything, never hesitate to reach out to me across any of our social media platforms. And I hope you have a great start to your week. Happy Monday.